Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 9, 5.9, operators, precedence and associativity. This is the very important and core concept. You must have the clear idea about the rules, and while you are writing expressions, you must write all the expressions subject to the rules and regulations. Here I have given a table just to see that all Python operators are grouped into 13 groups, 13 categories, and these are organized in the descending order. That means top 1 is the highest precedence operator, second one below that, third one below that, fourth one below that, 13th is the least one. So all these groups are organized in a descending order depending on the precedence level. Okay. Number 2 is, you may get a doubt. Suppose in certain groups you can find more than one operator. If you take the third group, now we see there are 4 operators: multiplication, division, modulus and integer division. Okay. One thing you must remember, that all 4 are enjoying the same rank of precedence. Because of the order, don't assume that they are having different precedence within the group. All 4 are enjoying same rank of precedence. That also you have to understand. Here first we have to understand what is the need of knowing the rules and regulations relating to precedent and associativity. Actually, we write expressions with the multiple operators. If you write an expression with a single operator like 5 plus 4 or 5 plus 9, if you write, there is no confusion at all. 5 plus 9, 14 is the result. When you write an expression using multiple operators and multiple operands, then you must know the rules of precedence and associativity. Now we see, with a simple example only I tell you, I extend it slightly, 5 plus 9 by 3. If you do not know the precedence rule, I make it 6. Now, if you do not know the rules of precedence and associativity, and if you simply calculate, what would be the result? 6 plus 9, 15 by 3. The result is 5. Result is 5. You know that this is not the correct result. If you do not know these operator precedence rules also, you realize that this is not correct. What is the correct result? Correct result is, first it should be calculated 3, 6. This is 9 is the correct result. What do you say? So you must know this rule. What is the rule? If there are 2 operators, one is plus, other one is division. Division operator is having a higher precedence than the plus operator. Now you refer the table. If you refer the table, in the table, division operator is having 3rd rank, is enjoying 3rd rank, and plus operator, binary plus operator, is enjoying 4th rank. So it should be evaluated first, and thereafter it should be evaluated. Then only you get correct result. Actually, in this context, one very important point I have to explain. Our Python interpreter was designed subject to all these rules. It knows everything in this table, whatever elements are there, and we are going to discuss a set of rules. All that it knows, and it was designed like that. So our interpreter never commit a mistake. Now if you write this type of expression, it gives the correct result. But who writes the code? You write the code. Being a human, if you do not know the rules, you may write a wrong code with a wrong assumption that operator is enjoying, all operators are enjoying same precedence or wrong precedence. That is the biggest problem. That's why you must learn the rules relating to operator precedence. Understand? So, in this context, if you want to learn logically, you can learn it. There is a logic behind it. Nothing is illogical, but for that purpose, little aptitude is required. After explaining the concept, I will explain few logics, few operators, and explain the logic behind it. Why those are grouped differently in different levels. I will explain. Now, before that, I have to explain one important point. PEMDAS. This is a mathematical principle. In mathematics also, different operators we use, like plus, minus, division, power, etc. we use. So, this is the mathematical principle. In this mathematical principle, it is an acronym. Parenthesis, exponentation means power, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Whenever multiple operators are there in your mathematical expression, you must follow this order. First parenthesis, next exponentation if any, then multiplication if any, then division if any, then addition if any, thereafter subtraction if any. This order you must follow, then only you derive the correct answer. Now, Python follows the same principle only. In this context, one more important point I have to tell you. Already in the previous third chapter, I explained you the classification of errors: syntax errors, semantics errors, and logical errors. As far as syntax errors are concerned, we are really blessed, because if you commit any grammatical error or syntax error, the interpreter can identify that and immediately notifies you. Until unless it is resolved, then you cannot, it is not interpreted. That's why we are always safe in case of syntax errors. As far as semantics errors and logical errors are concerned, those are like hidden poisonous snake in our home. Then always it is dangerous. Whether it bites you or not, you do not know. If bites, when it bites, you do not know. How much poisonous it is, you do not know. That is the situation. In case of semantic errors and logical errors, when you can find out only in a program testing process, otherwise you cannot find them out. Because of semantic errors, you get wrong result, unexpected or undesirable result you get. Now, this is one of the areas. If you do not know the rules of precedence and associativity, you may commit semantic errors in your program. It leads to undesirable or unexpected result. That's why you must learn about this. Learn about that, and here the order you have to follow. You must remember the table, and according to this table, when you are writing writing expressions, you should be aware of that. And precedence means, already told you, in these different groups are there, and higher top level are having higher, next level, and descending order we have written. What is associativity? Actually, in some expressions, we write same precedence of operators, same group of operators. Here you see unary, plus and minus. Unary, plus and minus are having same rank as the fourth rank. Now we see. Now we have written an expression like this: 5 plus 9 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1. Now in this we have written 1, 2, 3, 4 operators, but all belong to same rank, same fourth level. Then associativity rule is applied. Associativity rule means in order of occurrence. Order of occurrence means left to right. For most operator, the associativity is left to right. Left to right. Now we see, blindly you can calculate like this: 5 plus 9, 14, 14 minus 3, 11, 11 minus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. The result is 10. So, associativity rule means if any expression is having same rank of operators, then those are executed from left to right. That is associative rule. And if different groups of operators are there, this precedence rule is applicable. That point you have to understand. As far as associativity is concerned, only one is there, this is there. This associativity is right to left. This point you remember, especially remember. Actually, if you write an expression, first it is evaluated, thereafter the resultant value is stored in the variable. So, associativity is concerned, for all operators it is left to right. As far as assignment operator is concerned, it's right to left. Just you can remember that.